Hi, this is DJ Angel B. Samantha from Work sa Puso. Let's do it!
Mauna ka, Daddy.
As I write this letter, my heart beating must to pass for my pen. Soon I'll be in your arms again.
To think I'll be with you.
Alright.
To taste all the sweet, sweet kisses once more.
Oh yeah.
Darling, that's what I'm longing for.
But most of all, I just wanna hear that wonderful sound. I love you. It brings sweet music to my heart. It's been so long since I heard the sound, that wonderful sound. I need you, my love, whatever did before.
I need reassuring.
Great.
Those thoughts haven't storing up in my mind.
Awesome.
When I get home, what will I find?
Will you still remember? And will your love be tender and strong? I've been away from you so long.
So when I home, I just wanna hear that wonderful sound. I love you. It brings sweet music to my heart. It's